traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Euro Yen monthly, I still think this is a wave 3. I think this is a 1, 2, and this is all subdivisions of that wave 3, which actually does have 5 waves. Maybe we are getting ready to end the wave 3 and start a wave 4. Eventually, I do think it will have to go up for a wave 5. But I do think this wave 4 potentially could last at least 6 months or more. So heading down to the weekly time frame, we really don't have any proof that the trend is down on the weekly yet. We do not have a break of structure. The only thing we really have is a Fibonacci bounce and a little bit of an engulfing move. Definitely not really enough proof to me to say for sure that it is going down for a big old giant wave 4. But if this is the end of a wave 3, then this is going to be a big move to the downside for the wave 4. So taking it down to the daily time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement out here because if it really is a correction to the uptrend, then we will get a Fibonacci bounce and we will get a break of structure to the upside, proving that it is continuing back up. But for now, we are definitely looking for shorts because the daily time frame is telling us that we have made a significant turn to the downside and that we do have a break of structure. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, I'm definitely keeping a very close eye on my Fibonacci retracement levels. If this does happen to be an A, a B, and a C, then most likely it would go right to a Fibonacci level, make a double bottom, make that 3, 4, 5 shape that you see at the end of pretty much every trend, and that would help prove to me that this is the continuation of the uptrend. Now, the only thing that's going to turn me into a buyer is seeing this picture right here. If I don't see the Fibonacci bounce and I don't see the break of structure, I will continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was saying, the daily is definitely telling us to look for shorts. I definitely think that we need to continue to look for shorts unless we get that double bottom at a Fibonacci level with a break of structure. This picture right here will turn me into a buyer. If I do not see this picture, but instead it just continues to make lower lows, lower highs like this and just keeps on going down, then that's fine by me because I'll just keep on going short at the end of every pullback I see, potentially for the continuation of a big wave 4, which if that is the case, this is a wave A of wave 4. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.